called Visual Choice Channel, and it's been a long time that we've not seen one another. I guess and hope that you do miss me so much, and at the same time I'm missing you too much. So this time we're gonna discuss about, and our title will be Education and Learning, and under this title we're gonna learn that how to progress and how to excel and how to achieve in any types of competitive examinations which is conducted in India, right? So as we see here, for all types of exams in India, here we have that the link is that here. UPSC, the first one. Then UPSC, the full form is that Union Public Service Commission. This is the highest and the toughest exams conducted in India. I guess that you all know about this. And the second one, let's move on here. SPSC. It means that State Public Service Commission. State Public Service Commission is conducted in each state in India. Now we have 29 states and 7 union territories. So each and every state had conducted their own state public service commission, like in Mizoram. Mizoram Public Service Commission is there, and in Manipur Public Service Commission, Madhya Pradesh Public Service Commission, like that. Okay. And the third one is Staff Selection Commission. Here they conducted Group B, Group B level, and Group C, and Group D. Here, State level Public Service Commission, they conducted Group A level, and UPSC also conducted Group A level. Sometimes they should conduct Group B too. But they never conducted lower than that. RRB, and the full form implies that Railway Recruitment Board. So let's move on here. Institute of Banking Personnel Selection. So here under this, any banking examinations are conducted like bank probationary officer, bankpo we call that, and bank clerk level, clerical level, here defense level. National Defense Academy (NDA). Here, CDS Combined Defense Service. So I just highlight that and in concise that I just want to know that the facts that each broad outlines. Maybe there are many public private sector undertakings and other autonomous bodies also. They should conduct many types of examinations for several posts, but this is the main role that UPSC is the main one, and as we all know that it is the toughest one, and we all are aiming for that and to be among this. So the competitive level is quite high, and state level is also quite high these times. Let's move on. Now I'm going to show you that how to achieve in a type of examinations which was conducted in India. So in any types of government examinations, I mean public sector undertakings examinations, which we have already discussed about UPSC, State Level Public Service Commission, Staff Selection Commission, and Railway Recruitment Board, and bankpo, and clerical grade level, NDA, CDS, any government examinations. The syllabus is permanent. Okay, it's not temporary. So you must stick on to that. The first one here is polity, Indian political institution, Indian polity, like article, schedules, and constitutional amendment, CAA. So you have to read one book, the best book, one book from polity. Okay, and the second one is history, Indian history, especially modern Indian history. Modern Indian history. So there are many books available in Amazon, Flipkart, and from ChatGPT or from Google. So you can search that which book is the best for competitive examinations. So the first one is polity, polity, and the second one is history, and the third one is geography. Geography. Geography is including India and international India and world level. Okay, geography, India plus world, and here Indian economy. Indian economy. So how many is that? One, two, three, four. Then the fifth one is quantitative aptitude. This is class 10 level, like LCM, HCF, and numerical system. So it's not hard if you practice it. But for this quantitative aptitude, I suggest you that please go for R.S. Agarwal. R.S. Agarwal, okay, books. And I call it General English. So from this, you should expect that synonyms, antonyms, essays, comprehension, like grammar, noun, pronoun, verb, etc. So you have to be very strong in this general English. So to be strong in general English, you have to read like newspaper or magazine. Newspaper, if you say newspaper like the Hindu and Economic Times, Financial Express, Times of India, Hindustan Times, etc. Okay. See, I from the last few days I was catch up with coughing, so you have to understand me that current affairs, current affairs. So to be strong and to be excel among the peers and among the competitors, we have to read newspaper or magazine regularly. For newspaper, The Hindu, and for business or financial or like company level like and Indian economy level like GDP, etc. Read Economic Times, ET or Financial Express. Okay, you use the newspaper which I just mentioned that Economic Times, Financial Express, Financial Times, and Times of India, Hindustan Times, and Indian Express, The Hindu. Let me spend like 50 seconds only how to read newspaper. Read, try to spend for 30 minutes at least for reading one newspaper. So read in the morning time while having snack or while having breakfast or tea. So spend 30 minutes and focus only on the critical topics, important topics, which your conscience tells you that, right? So that's all for today. So what we have discussed today that we have discussed that in any types of examinations, especially in government sector, public sector undertakings in India, to face any kinds of examination, be it defense level or be it banking or be it Economic times, maybe, no, I mean that bid insurance examinations, whatever be the examinations, there are strict rules that there are strict syllabus which is stable and never changing. For the last time, let me tell you the first one is polity. Second one is economy, Indian economy, and third, geography. Geography here, India plus world, and history, especially modern Indian history, right? And current affairs, current affairs, and reasoning, reasoning, logical reasoning, verbal and non-verbal, and arithmetic or quantitative aptitude, for which you go for the RS Agarwal. As I told you, as I mentioned already. So if you are strong enough in these seven, you are ready to face any kinds of examinations conducted in India without any or without any doubts, with full confidence you can face, and you must excel in any types of examinations, be it Group A, Group B, Group C. So no worry. So I expect that next time I see you with full confidence and success, and achievement is yours. If you really believe in yourself and if you really try hard, okay? Okay, bye bye for this time. See you next time. Bye bye.